So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy DoubleZero, ticker symbol to Z here on Kraken. So once Kraken is opened up, go to the bottom right, press on buy crypto. In the search bar right here, type in ticker symbol to Z or DoubleZero. On this page, you can go ahead and type in the amount you're looking to buy. So for example, if I wanted to buy $20, I will press on 20, then go to the right hand side, press on the purple arrow. On this page right here, you can confirm the amount of 2Z that you're purchasing, as well as the price, the fee, and the total, as well as the payment method. For me, in this case, it is Apple Pay. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press confirm to proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy DoubleZero, ticker symbol to Z on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.